Around a month ago, we had taken a look at a tool that is an AI SQL generator for easy database management. It's called Chat2DB and it's completely open source. And within that video, I had showcased how you can build SQL AI chatbots to talk to your database. This is something that streamlines database management effortlessly. But just recently, there was a huge new update to the overall platform of Chat2DB that makes it even more AI-centric. But before we even get to that, let's recap the capabilities of Chat2DB. Chat2DB is an open source AI-driven SQL client that simplifies data management, query generation, data exploration, and even reporting. It supports a wide range of relational and non-relational databases, which is going to offer a seamless all-in-one solution for database professionals. But now that we have a better idea of what Chat2DB is, let's now explore all of the new updates to the platform. Chat2DB is an AI-powered SQL client where you have an SQL copilot, an AI assistant that helps you write, optimize, and debug SQL queries. You have an AI SQL editor within the platform, which is a smart editor with AI-driven autocomplete, query generation, and error fixes. You also have code generation from schemas. Automatically generate SQL code based on database schemas. And what's nice is that you get access to state-of-the-art models like DeepSeek v3, R1, you have Claude 3.7 Sonnet, and 10 plus advanced models. With Chat2DB, you have a GUI-based database management where you can visualize data and you can manage it quite easily, where you can view and edit data with smart sorting and advanced filtering. You have a table copilot. This is essentially something that is an AI-powered table creation tool where you can edit and you can auto-set field properties, indexes, and test your data with it. You also have ER diagrams where you can easily visualize entity relationships and data flows for a clear structured database architecture. This was one of the most renowned features of Chat2DB, where you have data and schema migrations, where you can effortlessly import, export, and sync, as well as migrate data across different databases with high stability. And I wasn't joking with that because you have so many different types of supported databases which you can access within Chat2DB. And to top it off, you have AI data analysis where you can gain instant insights with AI-powered BI dashboards, chain reasoning, and auto-generated charts, which will help you with real-time metric synchronization and get you better insights of your data. There's so much more to this, which is why we're going to be highlighting all of the features further in detail throughout today's video. But if you want to get started, you can get started by installing this locally. They have an installer in which you can install for your operating system, or you can use the source code to install it. And I'll leave all these links in the description below. In this case, you can follow through with the runtime environment installation method, where you can set up the front end and the back end with the following commands. You can also access it on the cloud, so this is another option for you to access Chat2DB. Now, once you install Chat2DB, you can simply open it up and click on this plus sign over here. This is to create a database. You can create a new group, which you can do afterwards, but you want to essentially add a new connection, or you want to import your connection. You have two different options. With new connection, you have the ability to access so many different types of databases, and in fact, they added a lot of new databases from DuckDB all the way to BigQuery. For my case, I'm going to be creating a connection with MySQL, and this is where I'm going to need to provide my required fields, such as the password, my SQL host, and whatnot. So let me go ahead and fill this out, and then I can proceed forward. There we go. Now what you can do is simply go ahead and you can either install and update the driver so that you can access and make the connection. You can also configure the SSH as well as other advanced configurations. But in this case, we're just going to leave it as the basics and we're going to go ahead and click save. This will go ahead and create the connection to your MySQL database. And you can see that it is loading the database up. So we have our SQL connection now. And what you can now do is if you are to open up your data, you can then visualize it within the main dashboard. Now, one thing you'll notice is this right-hand chat interface. This is the database copilot. This is a new feature, which is a context-aware AI assistant that supports multi-turn dialogue, making data queries smarter and more efficient. So in this case, you can add connection to the context over here where you can select any sort of file you want to work with. You can add multiple and you can ask it, what does this table talk about? And then you can go ahead and ask it, and there you go. You can see that it is explaining your data, and this is the perfect way to get one-click code generation with the Claude 3.7 Sonnet model. But say if you want to get a more deeper context with the reasoning model, you can use DeepSeek R1, which will get you a more thought-put answer. But essentially, this is a great way for you to get answers about with your code base, have it analyze it, or even debug it. And what's nice is that you can access the AI chat, which is the exact same thing as the database copilot, but it employs chain of thought reasoning, which is where it breaks down complex problems into smaller steps and it displays the complete reasoning process. It's an approach not only that improves the accuracy of generated results, but it also allows users to clearly understand the AI's thought process, which is going to build trust and confidence with your data. So let's just showcase where the database copilot would be helpful. We have this sample data of our products. We have different products, we have categories, the unit price, and the inventory. Now, these inventories fluctuate from different numbers, but say if there's something less than 10, I wanted to create an SQL query so that it will be able to retrieve all the products with inventories less than 10 units. So it helps me track which inventory I should restock. And you can see that I can simply ask the database copilot to create this, and it will generate the SQL query to then retrieve all the products with inventories less than 10 units. So you can see it has now generated the query for it, and it also showcased and visualized the table of the different products that have less than 10 in stock. Now guys, you can take this even a step further. You can ask it to generate Python code thanks to the amazing capabilities of the Claude 3.7 Sonnet, which is perfect for coding. And essentially, this will generate the code that can help you connect different things like an SQLite database, which is the prompt I sent in. I wanted to perform basic CRUD operations with this Python code, and on the table that we have over here, we can create, read, and update, as well as delete different things. And you can see it generated the code for me. Now, what you can also do is generate charts with the database copilot. You can simply request it to visualize it through charts, and you can see that it's going to now have it so that it will create the visualization, and I can actually view a chart that will depict the data. And there we go. We have a column chart which is showcasing the products based off of the low inventory, which was the first prompt we had sent in. Now, if you are to actually go over to the chart dashboard, you can actually create new charts, and you have more flexibility in terms of creating different charts based off of these different types, from table all the way to column, bar, line, pie, and so many other types. So you can actually have it create based off the data that you have, and this is by simply providing context of the SQL database that we had provided. Now, another new feature is that you can now have it so that you can use the AI SQL editor. This is where you have this inline edit to ask questions about your database, or you can recraft complex queries. You can have it so that you can simplify these daily tasks of your data with this, so you can streamline the process and save time and effort. For example, you can have it so that you can generate a syntax tree for different data types, and then you can go ahead and send this in, and this will go ahead and take my query and then edit it within this AI SQL editor. And there we go. We can see that it is now generating this for the different data types. This could also be perfect for debugging different things. So you can have it debug any sort of errors by having it analyze the content that you've generated. And if it finds something, it will go ahead and fix it for you. Now guys, what's also nice is that you have a table copilot. So in this case, we can go ahead and create a table, and then we can access the table copilot so that you could use it to automatically create tables by simply entering table names, field names, and then editing the table with natural language. After creating the table, you can use it to generate test data. When you click on generate test data, realistic data will be created in the AI assistant dialog on the right hand side. You can copy the generated SQL statements into a console, and then you can actually run them and then insert the test data. You can then open the table again, and then you can see at the test data that you just generated, which is also really nice. The SQL editor also enhances productivity with features like code completion, auto prompt for database table columns, and automatic SQL formatting, which is going to streamline query writing. And you can actually take a look at this with this demo video. Chat2DB also has an AI-powered bug fixing feature which can quickly identify and resolve errors in your SQL queries. Now, I can use my trustworthy AI database copilot, and to access it, just simply click on this, give it context. So I provided my SQL database, and then we can ask it to analyze the product sales. And we can go ahead and send in this prompt. And what it will do is it will go ahead and build the BI dashboard for you, where it can have it generate the charts for me, and you can then add further details to then have it generate the charts as well. So there we go. We can now have it added to our demo dashboard, and then we can click OK. So we can see it is listing out the ones that have the most product revenue, and that is the smartphone. And that's basically a gist of all the new updates a part of Chat2DB. There's so much more to this, and this is something that I definitely recommend that you explore. It's the ideal way for you to chat with your database, and it's something that you can easily get started completely for free, as this is an open source repository. So I'll leave all the links in the description below. Make sure you give them a star if you haven't already. Make sure you subscribe to the newsletter, follow me on the Patreon, follow me on Twitter, and lastly, make sure you get subscribed to the YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell, like this video, and please take a look at our previous videos because there's a lot of content that you'll truly benefit from, as I'm constantly posting on a daily basis. But with that thought, guys, have an amazing day, spread positivity, and I'll see you guys fairly shortly. Peace out, fellas.